Hello everyone, I'm Oath, Thai in the United States. Today I'm baking something using banana. I have 4 bananas, and at first I'm sure everybody would think about banana bread. In Thai we call cake, banana cake. It's kind of, but it is not. At first, in 10 years ago, 15 years ago, I baked banana bread following exactly ingredient, and it came out really good because it was my first time baking. And later on, I bake again and I always created new recipe, ingredient add in. I add yogurt in my banana bread. I add palm
คนไม่ทำละ
seed.
ลายเพื่อทำแบ
I
บนี้แหละ
add chocolate chip as this time. This is not the first time that I add chocolate chip. It is the third time. I also add the mixed nut. It was very crunchy and chewy. This time I decided to do banana chocolate chip and I topping fresh strawberry later. I add sugar less because the previous one I added too much sugar that gave too much sweet for us. We don't like to eat sweet. I forgot to think about 4 bananas that give sweet enough. I baked once. I didn't add sugar at all, only banana and less flour. The taste was perfect for me. But this time I forgot that I add only small amount of flour and chocolate chip and also yogurt. Yogurt also sweet. Then sweet, like 3 times sweet. It came out nicely soft as I would like. And at first I thought about I may cook sticky rice and eat as same as sticky rice topping with custard, but I changed my mind. The next day I re-bake, added more ingredients. I add more flour, I add more eggs. At first I add only 1 egg and then I add more 2, and then I add milk because milk could help reduce sweeten as milk doesn't have any taste. And also I add baking powder little, baking soda little, and mix well. You're gonna see the color in like chocolate. I don't know what this called. Oh, dark brown. That because of chocolate chip. And then I bake. Every time I bake at same time, 450 Fahrenheit, 20 minutes at first. And then when I check with the fork, I need to bake more. The banana, my banana bread. I try to think, should I say banana bread? It's not really bread. I bake more 15 minutes, so total I bake 35 minutes each time. And at the end, I got what I very satisfied. Let's read the cake. Okay, I would like to call like cake. The cake is firmly much firmly and chewy, and also a little crispy because of the cracker in yogurt. And then I cut small piece, easy for bite and chew each time, and put in refrigerator. So we have good snack now. And that's it. Thank you for watching my video, listening to my story, my English. Please come back and see what I'm gonna tell you next time. Have a great day. Bye.